Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are going to take the next video here in the series of Python escape character. In that we'll get that how we can escape the character here. The next we have taken the variable text txt and it is having the variable inside the string that is the sentence. Mostly spoken language in India is Hindi, is mentioned. But it said we are mentioning the Hindi in inverted comma for placing the special word. That is the reason I mentioned the special word as we have mentioned. Mostly spoken language in India is Hindi. So that's showing the error. If we want to remove that particular error, so we need to follow the concept here. If we don't want to get that particular underline error, we need to follow the steps. In the steps, we'll get, as we are running with the same, it is not showing the output, it's showing the error. So whenever we are going to write anything inside double-headed comma, and that should be inside the double-headed comma, that should also follow with the double-headed comma. We have the same issue again and again, so we follow it with the backspace and double-headed comma. The word is there mentioned as it is, and also backspace, then double-headed comma, and again the double-headed comma. So we'll run the program, then we'll get the output. Mostly spoken language in India is Hindi. As we can see here, output is in double-headed comma Hindi. So if you want to print the double-headed comma inside double-headed comma, so it is having some issue that will be recognized using the backspace before the word and before the double-headed comma, and after completing this particular sentence or word before the closing double-headed comma, we mention the second backspace. So we got this concept. Going forward, taking the next example, we have taken the text as it is. Inside the text we are mentioning that India is known as double-headed comma, we are mentioning as the Bharat. India is known as double-headed comma Bharat. Bharat is in double-headed comma. Inside double-headed comma I will mention there, it will show error, same error like so we want to escape this error. For that we use the escape character. Escape character means backspace. We followed it by the backspace, and then we can see the error will remove from it. Then we can print the output in double-headed comma. Usually we can print the output in double-headed comma. That is the reason we are going for printing the value of txt as per our input has been given here. We are going to print the value of txt. We are getting output. In India is known as Bharat. So if you are having any issues regarding to that particular or any videos or having any concept that you are not getting, recommend me. I'll try to do it best and will come to the next video, as we have done this both here. And if you are not getting this particular escape character, then let me know. In the same way, any video you are having any issues that is not understandable, recommend me. Will try your best. Will make you the best concept step by step. Nothing will be go away from us. Will provide the end-to-end training practice on each and every languages as we have started it. So this is why Python has started. So do it, practice it while watching the video, practice it more and more. We will explore more and more as like the programmer, as like the coder, you'll get the more and more knowledge about it. So that's all about this particular program. If so thank you. Have a great day. Bye.